I got my hands on the Blip AI. This is the really good AI tool which can help you turn your speech into ready to send text in any app. No matter you are using the WhatsApp or the browser or the your coding platform, you can use the pressing for few buttons here. Like I am just pressing these few buttons, and now you can see there is the listening bar going on. So whatever the thing you are going to speech, it will be the turned into text with the highly improving accuracy and the dictation. It can going to remove all the words like the and it is going to automatically format your spoken sentences in the clean pronunciation or the punctuations. Okay, so what I liked here, that even if you are going to talk in the other language, it is going to transcribe it in the English. So that thing I liked here. So this is how this platform looks like. You have to go to its platform, you have to download it for your device. It's available for Mac OS, Windows and the Android. So once you have installed, this is how it's going to look like, the user interface. You have to log in and give the permission to your mic, and after that you can see whenever you are going to press these buttons, it will be the automatically launched. There's also the action button available. Whenever you just say the hey Blip, its button will be the activated, and now you are ready to speech, and after that that thing will be turned into the text here. So right now this thing is available with the starting price of the $49 for the lifetime access. And let me tell you that this is the fastest growing tool on the AppSumo. You can think yourself, less than after the 24 hours launching, I think it's been around the 10 or the 11 hours, and it's almost got the 22 or the 23 reviews, 5 out of 5 here. So let me talk about the lifetime plans available here. So if I go till the end, you can see we have the 3 tiers plans available, and every tier plan give you the devices limits. For example, tier 1 give you the only 2 devices limit. Okay, so what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2, because here we have the multiple devices, almost the 5 devices we can connect. Whether we have the Mac, we have the Windows or the Android device, we can use it anywhere here. Okay, so no worries, once you got its lifetime deal, this is how you have to got to download the page here. You can just select your device and download, and after that once you install it, this is how this looks like. So once this thing is downloaded, what you can do, you can just open up any app. Right now I am opening the my browser here. Let's go to the Gemini here, and suppose I want to give it a command. So I'm going to press the 2 buttons here, and now I'm going to start talking like, hey, can you just give me the prompt which I can use to just create a image for a model holding up a bottle of the shampoo. Okay, so now it is processing, and now you can see, hey, can you just give me a prompt which I can use to create an image of a model holding up a bottle of this sample. Okay, so here I have just talked about the shampoo, but no worries, few words can be the manageable here. Okay, so that how these things makes work out. Let's use it to craft a email reply for me. So let me just open up reply here. Let me open up this one. Okay, and now I'm going to suppose replying. So now what I can do, I can ask its AI, like I'm going to press the buttons, can you draft a email replying this email for me here. So make sure you analyze this one, and now this is start open up. Yeah, you can see, can you draft email replying this email for me here, and this is how this works out. Okay, so whatever thing you are going to talk within instantly, and it's really faster here. You can see within just few seconds, whatever you are going to talk, I think 1 or in the 2 seconds this will be the typed in your dashboard here. Now let me go to Slack here, and suppose I'm going to open up any of the just open up here, and suppose I am going to just call on DMs here, and I want to send a reply here. So I'm going to just press the shortcut button. Can you draft the reply for the message here? Okay, so whatever the reply I want to do, I have to just speak about here. Even if I am going to talk in the Hindi, it is going to type the message for you. So I'm going to show you how to. Okay, yeah, you can see well drafted in the good layout and with all the question marks or the full stop kind of thing here. So this is my WhatsApp here, and now I'm going to talk in the Hindi, and you will see that it's still going to type in the English here. So I'm going to open up. Okay, so let me open up here, and now I'm going to type in the or talk in the Hindi. तो मुझे ना इसका जवाब देना है, और मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्या इसका जवाब मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूँ तो इंग्लिश में जा सकता है. सो दिस इज द थिंग आई हैव टॉक्ड इन द हिंदी, एंड लेट्स सी इफ या यू कैन सी दिस इज in the real time translated into English or the transcribed in the English and now typed here. So that is the really good thing what I liked about this platform. And no matter which app I am using on my device, I can use it everywhere. For example, I'm going to use the search section here, and so I want to type and okay, so where's the search? Okay, let me close this one, and open up this main, and now this is search section, and now I'm going to hit the shortcut. Just search the WhatsApp app. Okay, and now you will see this thing is typed here. So this things makes really easy, whether you want to use it for the email replies, you want to use it for the coding, you want to use it for the communicating with your team members, or you want to use it for the notes here. Everywhere, any app, you can use the Blip AI, and this is the really good tool as for the AI that I want to suggest you today to make your life or the typing really easy. You can just assume as the yourself comparing like manual typing with the typing with your voice or the speech. Makes sense? So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check it out, this lifetime deal link is given in the description and the comment section, so make sure you check that out and grab your lifetime access for this platform. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.